Hello, and welcome to Judson University Financial Aid's tutorial of how to accept your financial aid on My Judson. We are so excited you have decided to make Judson your home for the next several years. The first step to be able to accept your aid is having your login username and password ready. If you have lost your login username and password, please email ithelp@judsonu.edu to be able to have the IT department help you retrieve your login username information. Once you're ready with this first step, accepting is pretty easy. Go to your internet browser and type in myjudson.judsonu.edu to access your My Judson page. Once there, use your login at the top right hand of the screen like you see on your screen provided. Then, click on the Financial Aid tab at the top left of your screen. Once loaded, you will see the drop-down option to select the year you are wanting to view for your financial aid. For this example, we will be using the 18-19 school year. Select the year you're using, and then you can click View Financial Aid Awards. This will take you to the next screen where it will show you all of your awards you've been provided. To be able to accept or decline your aid, click this little link on your screen that says Accept/Decline Aid. This will take you to the screen where you can accept or decline all of your aid. To be able to be ready for the school year, you will have to accept or decline each individual award. If there is something that you're not wanting to use, you will need to decline it to be able to be finalized for your financial aid for next year. For example, if there's a loan you're not wanting to take, or a scholarship you're provided that you're not planning to use, for this example, we'll say, I've decided I don't want to do choir this year, so I will decline that. You will have to decline and accept every option. Once you've made it through every single one of your awards, you can hit the next button. This next screen will summarize everything that you've done in the previous screen. If there's something I've done on accident, there's an option to edit each award. If this is correct, you can go ahead and hit the Submit button right at the bottom left of your screen. Once you've hit Submit, it will take you to the screen. You will want to make sure you hit Continue. That's it. You're all set. It looks like you may have to accept and decline still, but that's just because we have to process it on our side of things. If you have any questions on what you've just done or anything regarding your financial aid, feel free to contact us. We look forward to having you at Judson University.